Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Monday.com forms to capture new project requests step by step clearly. First, log into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the board where you want to update the forms. Locate the Forms view on the left sidebar of the board. Click on the Forms option to open the existing form. Review the current fields on the form to identify what needs updating. To add a new field, click the Add New Field button located at the bottom of the form. Select the type of field you want to add, such as text, date, or dropdown. Customize the field settings according to your needs. Label the new field clearly, so users understand its purpose. If you need to change an existing field, click on it to access the edit options. Adjust the settings as necessary, such as making it a required field. To remove any outdated fields, click the trash can icon next to that field. Confirm the deletion when prompted to ensure the field is removed. Ensure all fields reflect the most current information required for new project requests. Once you have made all necessary updates, review the form for clarity and ease of use. Click the Preview option to see how the form looks to users. Make any final adjustments based on the preview. When satisfied with the updates, click the Share Form button to get the new link. Copy the updated form link to share with your team or stakeholders. Inform your team of the changes to ensure everyone is aware of the new form. Periodically review the form to ensure it remains up to date with any project requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.